Welcome back in the kitchen again with the cooking show. Is amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen, giving you favorite recipes and ideas and things that you love to make in your kitchen at home. Yeah, we start the new year. Yes, I did a detoxing, clean up immune system and all them thing there. I get a request for the fried chicken recipe of you marinate it and also prepare it and put it down and make it soak. Someone request it and I willing to give them the recipe by my heart. Yeah, I'm gonna give them the recipe. So I'm gonna show you how to marinate your fried chicken or your oven fried chicken. You can also put it on the oven also. So the person asks me, how can they marinate it? I don't have a lot of chicken recipe. Well, you know what I mean? I'm always doing chicken recipes. So please stay tuned and follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click on the notification bell to get the latest update. And I'm gonna be giving you your whole good, hot, and spicy fried chicken in your kitchen, at home, in your kitchen. All right. So stay tuned, log on, and please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. My name is Chef Ricardo, and I'm always giving you the best recipe in this whole entire world. I love every one of you guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your, Not only that, good news, we're climbing up to 600,000 subscribers, guys. What more can I say? I'm really happy and I'm excited. It's very hard work, but we have to keep pushing it. All right. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your love. Thank you for everything what you've been doing, spending the time and writing the little comments. And as a Chef Ricardo, you need to do this, you need to do that. So basically I'm going to show you how to marinate this beautiful fried chicken right here. I wash off my fried chicken with some white vinegar. You can use lime or lemon to wash your meat. I remove the skin because the skin have a lot of fat, so sometimes I do it in the skin and the next time I don't. All right, so first thing what we're going to need to do now, we're going to show you. First thing we're going to put on is some fresh thyme. All right, guys, so basically I have some fresh thyme right here and I'm going to put on some fresh thyme on my chicken. All right, that's the first thing I'm going to do. Secondly, I have a medium-sized white onion which I'm going to be cut up very small. When you cut up it so small, I'm telling you something, it come out really lovely and nice. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna marinate up this lovely fried chicken recipe. That's, you guys can do the same thing at home. So if you love the recipe, honestly, please give me a thumbs up. All right, that's the white onion which we are using. All right, if you don't have one of this, you need to get it. All right, Chef Ricardo have them, and if you don't have one of them, you need to get one of them. These are the garlic stress-free crusher. All right, you don't even have to stress yourself. You just put the garlic in it with the trash and simple. Squeeze it out like this. You know what I mean? Yeah, put the trash one side. That come on, lovely and nice. And I know you guys will love this one because it's something new for you, you know what I mean? Just go over to Chef Ricardo website and get it. 50% off right now. The earlier you get it, it is better for you. Yeah, lovely and nice. You see? Stress-free garlic crusher. And I'm telling you, if you don't have one, you need to get one in your kitchen. Now what I'm going to do is put on a tablespoon of the Chef Ricardo natural blending season. Alright, here it is. Natural blending season right there. That is lovely and amazing. That's the natural blending season. We're just gonna put a little pinch of smoked paprika. If you have normal paprika, you can use it. That's a little pinch of it. Alright, that's gonna bring in a lovely flavor to the chicken when you have it in the oven. This is some garlic and salt. Just a little pinch. Not much, tiny pinch. I got some dry thyme. I'm gonna put a little bit, pinch of it. And also I have some all-purpose season. We're going to put on a pinch of the all-purpose season. Just a little pinch of the all-purpose season. Roughly about a tablespoon. Of garlic season. Next, we have some mixed herb. We're going to put on a tablespoon of mixed herb. 1 tablespoon of mixed herb, guys. Honestly. Alright. Now, what we got right here, we have some. This is some cock flavor season. We're going to put on a teaspoon. That's a teaspoon of it. Alright, then what you need to do is put on a gloves. Make sure you have a gloves and take your time and rub up your meat. This is fantastic and amazing. Honestly, you only can get this on Chef Ricardo YouTube channel. Tell me, where is I gonna get this? Unless you're gonna follow me and make this lovely recipe. Remember, follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page. You need to go over to my Facebook page, because sometimes the recipe I just post them on my Facebook page. Honestly, you know what I mean? More easier for me sometimes. Or sometimes I just leave it in the description box. So always look in the description box, guys. Alright, so you can see it for yourself, the way the meat looking lovely and nice, colorful, the texture and everything. It is fantastic. So basically, if you want to cook this for Sunday dinner, tonight is the right time to marinate it. From Friday night or Saturday evening, you know what I mean, you just marinate him up and get it soaked for the next 24 hours. Just put it in your fridge. You don't need to put it in your freezer, because you're gonna cook it on Sunday. Yeah, look at that. That is lovely and nice. Look at that, guys. So easy and simple. Amazing. Look at that. Lovely. So as you can see for yourself, the flavor of the meat. Oh my days in heaven. This smell so lovely. Oh, the scent. It is amazing. Honestly. So as you can see it for yourself, guys, this is how you can marinate your fried chicken and put it down for it to soak for the next 24 hours. All right, look at that. Beautiful and amazing. That's the look of the chicken. What more do you need at home? All right, so I want to say thank you so much, guys, for, you know what I mean, watching, and please leave your comments and you subscribe. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and as I say, follow me on my Facebook page and also Instagram. You can go over and you will see the recipe. All right, thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.